Yeah, I shall thank Park, who has taken a great pain. And apart from that, the Government of India, the Badminton Association of India, OGQ, her supporters, sponsors, everybody has, you know, given her all the encouragement. And I'm very grateful to especially media people also, for giving her all the encouragement through their clippings that she will going to win the gold. Though the pressure is there, but I'm happy that she has won a medal for the country. Because generally what happens is uh, playing third and fourth match is a very painful match. So yesterday I have motivated her a lot, and thank God, with the blessings of everyone, the entire nation, she has bought a medal, and I'm happy that she is the first woman to win two consecutive Olympic medals. No doubt it's a bronze and a silver, but continuously.
So that's a record.
So yeah, so that way at least she has bought some name and fame to the country. Overall, she was very aggressive on court, and I told her just keep attacking, especially towards her back, because when He Bingyo plays, first stroke he plays at the forehand, immediately she leaves that place and covers the other three places. So now what I said is keep playing some repeated strokes. Then while watching, because I had a physio there on phone, then I was messaging her that now the inward shots are more successful for Sindhu. After 1-2 rallies, then she can go for the inward attack.
Yeah, especially
So,
a 17th point rally,
Yeah.
the way she's smashed.
yeah, yeah.
She
So,
couldn't reply.
so you might have watched.
Yes, sir.
People who have watched. So she has more attacked on inward, especially towards her backside. That too smashes. There she was successful, and we could get the game.
As a father, obviously it's a proud moment for every Indian, but as a father, how excited are you to welcome her now, sir?
So of course I told her I'll come to Delhi. So I think she is coming to Delhi on 3rd. Let me speak to the officials, by officials, and I am planning to go to Delhi, because this is Olympics is not a small event where you get a medal, whether it is a gold or silver or a bronze. A medal is a medal, and I'm happy the way she has worked, and God has given us all the country. So now we have to plan, we have to work out. See, we have to get as many medals as we can to the country at the Olympics, at the highest level of. Because why I trust Sindhu is she is focused, and she has that hunger, to go and play, and she enjoys the game. Country. She's 26 now, but age is not. It's only this thing. But if you keep yourself fit, I don't think with age you get more experience. That's what I have seen in Sindhu. This thing. But if you keep yourself fit, I don't think with age you get more experience. That's what I have seen in Sindhu during, no, not today, the entire tournament. Earlier you might have observed that Sindhu was not that good in defense and dribbles and playing parallel to the game. But that's what coach has totally concentrated, and we could get
Yes.
the
So
achievement.
Olympics.
Sir, any message you would like to give to the parents of a girl child in our country, sir?
See, now it is clearly proved. The girls are getting the medals one after the other. So I think you need not worry. So girl child is always will be a better than a male child. So thinking that it's not, I'm not criticizing any male child, but all are equally good, and I hope all the blessings will be there for Sindhu.
I am very happy. Sindhu won the medal today. She played very well. Extremely happy because we missed the goal, but this is also equivalent. Medal is medal. Actually, Tai Juing is a different player. She will play a little different tricky strokes, but other players are okay. So I thought yesterday maybe Sindhu's little depressed.
मगर यहाँ पर सब एक तरफ है, लेकिन जो एंकरेजमेंट हमारे प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी ने दिए हैं, बोले हैं कि सिंधु आप जाओ, आने के बाद हम आइसक्रीम खाएंगे, तो ज़रूर मेडल ले आई है, तो हम अभी सिंधु तो अभी जाके प्रधानमंत्री जी से आइसक्रीम खाएगी।
मैम कल फिर से निराश थी एज मदर, आपने किस तरह से उनसे बात की थी? सर ऑब्वियसली सेड ही आल्सो स्पोक, आपने क्या क्या कहा?
I told don't upset. You can win tomorrow. You can get the medal. So she was okay.
Yeah.
Any plans to make her favorite food when she arrives here?
Yeah, definitely. Whatever she wants, we'll.